Our reinforcing mesh welding machine adopts European design. It has the advantages of high output, low maintenance cost, stable operation. This machine is suitable for 4 to 12 mm round or ribbed steel bars. The finished mesh is mostly used on the concrete and construction use. We have 25 years experience in machine design and manufacturing. All the pneumatic components we use are SMC Japan brand. Good quality, save electricity consumption. Same welding pressure for each welding point. Guarantee good welding quality.